guys, welcome back. It's me, Sir Ackerby. Today we're going to discuss iFIXIT 64-bit precision toolkit as well as their static strap. We're going to look at this item, we're going to unbox this item, and we're going to see how it holds up and what we think of it. If you guys like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel if you're curious about any other tech stuff. At a later point, I'll put a PC build up using the precision toolkit and this static strap so you can see how they hold up doing the real job. So let's jump right in. Again, this is the anti-static wrist strap. You pretty much wrap this around your wrist, and then you'll take this clamp and you'll put it on a grounding point or some form of metal, so that way if you have any static electricity buildup or discharge from yourself, it won't go to your motherboard or any of your electronic components that are sensitive to that kind of stuff, and it won't get fried. Probably feels nice. It has a little latch here. It goes down and holds it tight. You just cinch it up however tight you need it. And then you want to make sure when you have it on that this is contacting your skin. So me being hairy, I probably put it on the bottom side of my arm so that way I get nice contact. But yeah. Seems nice. On. Oh. It might cinch up pretty easy, but I guess not. It's kind of a pain in the butt to cinch down. I was hoping it would just slide up. So just you're gonna have to preset it, tighten it, and just kind of get your feel. But I mean, as long as it's sitting there snug, and you just attach this to wherever, and then you just go to town. I would probably put this on your non-dominant hand, but it's whatever you feel more comfortable with. Now to open the precision bit set from iFIXIT. It has 64 bits and a 4mm driver, and it works on multiple different electronic devices, as you can see. This shows you the different sets it has: Phillips flathead, Torx, torque security, pentalobe, gist, hex, tri-point, nut driver, square, gambit, spanner, triangle, standoff bit for iPhones, oval drives, magnetic pickup bit, and semi-jack bit. So let's look at it inside. Start off with, you get this little welcome pamphlet here. It talks about their kind of vision and a breakdown of this kit and their stuff. It also explains they have a lifetime warranty, which is nice to know. Also get some stickers with it. Now the set itself. So you got the iFIXIT logo here. Nice hard plastic. It has a magnetic closure system to it. It also has, you use this as a tray, I guess, and this actually can help hold your small screws and pieces that of your equipment that you're working on. Again, this is magnetic, so yeah, so you can put that on there if you want, or you can use this as a tray, however you want. But as you can see, it comes with a whole lot of different bits. Got a nice foam insert here, and all the parts, I don't know if you can see that, but they're all labeled where each item goes, which is really nice. You have the driver here. You can use this to spin it here, or you can grab it on the knurled surface here. It is magnetic. So that's nice. Feels really solid. You also have this extension here, so if you need to get into some tight places, you can do that as well. Now, the one, I guess, downside I could see of this is this part's not magnetic, which is kind of a pain, but I think that would be the only downside. This is, they made this part magnetic, but they didn't make this magnetic. So that would have been nice if they would have just made this magnetic too. Because now if you put the bits in, you gotta be careful and don't drop them. It's kind of a shame. But honestly, besides that, this is flexible. The kit feels really solid. It feels like it's made well, and the only downside I can see to this is I wish they would have made this magnetic right here. Again, I'm going to be using this on my PC build, so you guys can watch the video that I put up next on my PC build, and when I do that, you can see how this functions, and maybe I'll find some more issues or not find any issues at all. But thank you for watching, and I would have to say this is a solid 9 out of 10. It would have probably, for me, I would have given it maybe a solid 10 if that last bit adapter was magnetic. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys next time, and look out for my PC build. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to help me out and to continue doing what I'm doing. Thanks, guys. Later.